Hello and welcome back. In this module, you learn how to set up your Pinterest account and start pinning. Like any social network application, you need an email to register. Click the register button and you are directed to a page requesting for the necessary information. Once you've filled in the required fields, you will be prompted to choose the kind of theme or pins you'd like. Pinterest automatically fills up your home page with the theme of your choice. Then you're directed to your profile page. It's a simple page, as you can see from this image. The most important thing you need to do is brand yourself. If you're an online business, make sure you put your business's logo and relevant branding photos as the profile picture. Then fill in the About section of your profile. For example, we have Nike Women. As you can see, they shared links of their main website to direct traffic to it. Below it is the description of the Pinterest account. Supposedly, you would find the equipment and motivations you need to push your training to the next level. It portrays ample clarity of what users will expect when they visit the profile. That's an example of how you want to describe your Pinterest profile. So take it up a notch. All you need now is to create your own boards. Your boards can be anything so long as you label them according to your objective. There are no black and white rules on how you want to name your boards, but it's crucial for you to understand that Pinterest's search is based on keywords and tags. Say, for example, your business provides recycling services, and one of your boards is labeled Recycling 101 or Recycling Act Around the World. Both titles contain the subject matter of your profile, which is recycling. When users look up recycling ideas, your boards are shown in the search list. Notice how most social network hubs have their own unique interface and user options. Some of them coincide with others, but some are exclusive only to them. So before setting up your own Pinterest account, here are some of the unique slangs you need to be familiar with. This helps you to utilize and optimize Pinterest. The key factor of Pinterest is its pin and its board. The idea is to provide you with a virtual board which you can pin anything endlessly. The Pin or Save button will allow you to save interesting stuff you can find in Pinterest onto your boards. You can create multiple boards in Pinterest and name them accordingly. Another unique option for Pinterest is the Tried It button. It signifies your action towards the pin that you saved, whether you've tried it or not. The common options in Pinterest are the Like button and the More Option button. They allow you to download the image, report the pin, or even copy the link of the pin. Finally, the Add Pin button, or commonly known as the Add button.